Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, allow your shoulders to soften, your jaw to release, and your hands to rest gently wherever they are. Feel the weight of your body against the surface beneath you, whether it's a chair, a cushion, or the floor. And know that this is your sacred space, a sanctuary for your mind to unwind and for your deepest potential to awaken. Let's take a moment to recall a time when you felt truly successful. It doesn't have to be a huge achievement. Perhaps a moment when you solved a problem with clarity, or when you spoke with confidence, or when you completed a task that mattered deeply to you. And see that moment in your mind's eye. Notice the colors, the sounds, the sensations in your body. It, in a let it come alive, as if it's happening right now. Sensation as you hold that memory, notice where you feel it most strongly in your body. Is it a warmth in your chest? A lightness in your head? A sense of groundedness in your legs? Place your hand gently over that area if it feels right, and let the sensation intensify. This is your anchor, a physical touch point that from now on will instantly call forth the state of success. Now, I invite you to repeat these words silently in your mind, or aloud if that feels comfortable. I am the architect of my success. Every thought I think, every word I speak, every action I take is aligned with my highest vision. Let these words resonate through you, as if your subconscious is already. And as you continue to breathe, let your mind drift into a state of deep receptivity. The soil is rich, the sun is warm, and the water of your attention nourishes every word. Soil the crystal's state meta thought. The soil is rich, the sun is warm, and the water of your attention nourishes every word. I attract opportunities that align with my purpose. Every states a poorly descript into possibly in skit sative with a disbelieved afar. A thing of propus, if his megish. And now, let's deepen the trance. Imagine yourself walking down a staircase. Each step taking you further into your inner world. At each step, you feel more relaxed, more open, more connected to your deepest wisdom. At the bottom of the staircase, there is a door. Feel that door is the most resourceful version of you. The you that has already achieved everything you desire. Feel the door and step inside. See this version of you, standing tall, eyes bright, radiating confidence and calm. Feel their energy, their certainty, their unwavering belief in themselves. Now step into their body. Feel what it feels like to be them, to know what they know, to have the resources they have. From this state, repeat, I am powerful beyond measure. My mind is clear. My heart is open, and my path is illuminated. Let these words resonate in every cell, as if they are being etched into your DNA. I release all resistance to success. I let go of fear, doubt, and limitation. Feel the release, like a weight lifting from your shoulders. A fog. Let's add another layer. I am disciplined and focused, yet flexible and adaptable. You within the balance within you, the strength to stay the course, and the wisdom to adjust when needed. I trust my intuition to guide me toward the right decisions. Your inner knowing is your greatest compass, always pointing you toward your highest path. Now, imagine a golden thread connecting your heart to the heart of the universe. This thread carries your intentions, your dreams, your affirmations, directly to the source of all creation. With each breath, you are weaving this thread stronger, brighter, more vibrant. I am a co-creator of my reality. My thoughts are seeds, and my actions are the water that makes them grow. Let the sensation of success expand beyond your body, filling the room, the building, the city, the world. You are a beacon of light, a testament to what is possible when you align with your true nature. I am grateful for every lesson, every challenge, every victory. Gratitude opens the door to more abundance, more success, more joy. Now, bring your awareness back to the anchor point one final time. Touch it, and let the feeling of success become a permanent part of your neurology. Oh, from this moment on, I carry this state. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel the integration complete.